Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Fine. Today you have educational files, so you will practice at home and you will do problems 4 and 5, page 181. I will explain for you these two problems. Please copy the answers on your math books, okay? Try to do problems 4 and 5 alone, then check this video in order to correct these two problems. Problem 4, let's start with problem 4 first, page 181. Yeah. Let's read the problem 4. A merchant buys 5 boxes, each containing 125 CDs. How many CDs are there in each box? Type. In order to solve any problem, first step, we are talking about what? We are talking about merchant, يعني a man who buys what? CDs. He buys 5 boxes. So how many boxes do we have? 5. I will draw a figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 boxes, each containing 125 CDs. Okay? I mean, a merchant buys 5 boxes, each containing 125 CDs. Cross out the word each, please. There's a mistake here. Here they mean that inside, in all these boxes, and the 5 boxes, there are 125 CDs. Okay? We want to know the number of CDs in each box, how much. طيب. The keywords that tell us we have to do what here? Times, divide, plus or minus. Here first, do we know the total number? Yes, we know the total number. What is the total number of CDs? 125 is the total number. طيب. And I'm asking you, did you see the word each? But it's written where? In the question. We know the total number, and I'm asking you the number of CDs in each box. So the word each in the question, plus we know the total number. These two keywords tell us we have to make what? We have to make division. Why? Because we are distributing the CDs also in boxes. We will know how many CDs are there in each box. We don't know in each one how much. So we know just the total number, okay? And we are distributing them in boxes. So we have to divide them in boxes. So just one equation, guys. 125 divided by how many boxes? 5. Okay? Let's arrange it down. So 125 divided by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12, which number very close to 12? It's 10. 2 up and 10 down. 25. Do we have 25? Yes. So 5 up, 25 down. The remainder is 0. The answer of the division is 25. So how many CDs are there in each box? عندنا بكل box 25 CDs. So the answer is there are 25 CDs were in each box. دايما لما نكون نعرف التوتال number and we want to know in each box how much, so we are distributing them in boxes, so we are dividing them. So we have to make what? Division. We have finished from problem 4. It's so easy. Now we'll go to problem 5. Yeah. Problem 5. Mr. Fuad has 150,000 Lebanese pounds. So we know how much does he have money? 150,000. He pays a bill of, bill means fatura. He pays what? 68,000 and a t-shirt for 34,000. So he pays what? 68 and 34. Then he still has money and he pays a t-shirt and he pay a bill also. With the remaining money, he will divide it among his 4 children. Okay? How much does he give to each one of his children? Type. And a lot of equations here. The first equation, طيب, he has 150,000 Lebanese pounds. طيب, he pays 68 and 34. So let's know first how much money does he pay to pay for a bill and to buy a t-shirt, both. How much? How much money does he pay in both? So we are adding them. We will add the two prices. So 68,000 plus 34,000 in order to know how much money does he pay to buy both. So we are adding them. Okay. Sorry, 34, not 43. 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7, 8, 9, 6, 9, 10. So it's 102,000. So 102,000. He pays how much? 102. طيب. But he has 150. So did he still have money? Yes, من ال 150 it's more than 102. So he still has some much money in the Lebanese pounds. طيب, how much money does he still have? So how do we find the remaining amount? How much money does he still have? When I see the word remaining, I mean we are subtracting in order to know how much money does he still have. So 150,000 minus he paid. لما يكون هو يعمل paid, so the amount of money becomes less, so we are subtracting. 102,000. Sorry, here it's 2. 0, 0, 0. Here we have to borrow, so it's 8, 4, and 0. So 48,000. So how much money is left with him? 48. So 48,000 Lebanese pounds is left. طيب. He divides them. He divides this remaining amount. هيدي remaining amount هي 48,000. He divided. So we are dividing this amount into how many children? Into 4 children. So we are dividing it by which number? By 4. So we just read the sentence in a correct way. It's clear. He divides the remaining amount. But the remaining amount, it's how much? 48,000. So 48,000 divided by how many children? 4. So 48,000 divided by 4. So we will know how much money does each child take. We can divide them without zeros. The zeros, we copy them at the end. لأن هون ما عندنا zeros, we can't cross them. We just divide 48 by 4. Which number in table 4 give us 4? 4 times 1, 4. Then which number in table 4 give us 8? 2. 4 times 2, 8. So the answer is 12. So how much money does each child take? He will take 12,000 Lebanese pounds. Each one will take 12,000 Lebanese pounds. So he gives each child 12,000 Lebanese pounds. Okay, please copy the answers on your math books, and if you have any question you can ask me later in the Zoom period. See you. Bye.